Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Rithmic to Tradingview. First, open your browser and go to pickmytrade.trade, then sign in to your account. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on Brokers. From the drop-down menu, select Rithmic Broker. This will take you to the PickMyTrader website. Now click on Rithmic Connection at the top of the page. Enter your Rithmic username and password, choose your system name, and select your trading route. Once you have entered all the required details, save the connection. Next, go to the Alerts section. Here, generate a new alert by selecting your broker, choosing the alert type, and selecting the symbol you want to trade. After that, PickMyTrade will generate a message code and provide you with a webhook URL. Keep both of these ready because you will use them in Tradingview. Now open the Tradingview platform and load the chart you want to use. Click on the Alert button at the top to create a new alert. In the Alert window, click the small arrow next to the message field and paste the message code that PickMyTrade generated. Then paste the webhook URL into the webhook URL field. Make sure both values are entered correctly, then save the alert. Your setup is now complete. Whenever your Tradingview alert is triggered, it will send the message through the webhook to PickMyTrade, which will forward it to your connected Rithmic account based on your configuration. Thanks for watching.